How to send video on Instagram DM. Now let's go to this airplane button right here. And let's say I want to chat with the RSLs. Now in order for me to send a video on this person, all I have to do is to click on this camera button right here. And I can send a photo to them by taking a photo. Or I can also capture a video. Let's say right here. So I can also allow replay, keep this in chat, or they can only view this video once. Now I can send that to them. Or another way to send a video on Instagram DM is to tap on this camera roll right here, and I can send a video to them on whatever I have in my camera roll. Let's say right here. I can send this to them, and they will be able to view this on their Instagram DM. So that's how to send video on Instagram DM.